brand new day. Bam, 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 bam.
It's a beautiful brand new day. My sending your on WhatsApp, we really go reply Tuesday. Me that's what think we man mean with yeah, that be the taste of grace. I see me so bolona me no go better than any ace of spade. Me she wanna go for create some space, cause it gets some weight. Bug my willing James. Omo mo fi se sikamba mu se mo da no ya kama monte. Say ya som na me bia ni pe bia to me ne me ya twema mentwe. Wo bompa ye via ni aka de ne dia koda na de nche. Na nenya me se me shiwa de sija so a ma sense na me pe kan.
Hi lovely people of Ghana. It's another episode of the exclusive show on HYTV. And I'm your number one undisputable MCI for you. I'm here to gist you on the latest trend on the social media platform. Charlie, relax for me. I dey come. First and foremost, no. And Baba wa mi ensa omo ye Nigerian for. Omo try some best Snatch. Yeah. Ghana near oye Uber driver ne car. Near to biom NSS for nyamia dom omo release and go for posting. Na after posting no edutwem. Me de onsun chire mu be de bebra wo. That's na ya yanka say interchange no. Pokwasi interchange no. Embrati we bia kwa tutu interchange no. I want to di mu chire mu bebra wo. Munya botre na mu ntwem na se me ba me di aka nyina betwe gu ho ma wo. Oh, yes, I'm a crab Emma HYTV. Yakwaji abua phone crack to our back. Said I make and 7 year born puffer need go. And he be check my screen so. Na mo kasa mo hwa mo say ampa HYTV ye kan ye. Ene near circulating say. Near circulating and say NSS for National Service for and Oma release posting. No, I'm releasing no. Say, funny say, and away we school. Yeah, when say posting is within Accra environs. And I say, Kumasi environs. Ni a post what to Jenny. Who does that? I'm going hard on them today. I didn't know what's no mind when I'm muyesa. Funny say, obini ni mama native you. And then papa, on saying no that. Nyamia dom okoye ne National Service na nko wonko baby to say Accra baby or otikaso na nko wonko Accra nko ye adwuma anase ote Accra na oba kaso aba be adwuma no more posting out to Jenny more posting out to Boko more posting out to Kasina Nankane Aden NSS boss better watch out because Afri you be going slow with you. But nyame ya dum na afefu fro ne ba na obesa yesa nyoma ni bioma yemfa obo ni nchew kra sesenti ye no an say na amben ye fiwa ne ekọ Nigerian for mba o ma ba be Ghana Nigerian for I don't know the reason why they are here in Ghana omo ba hen so ya mom baby so omontina boko omontina oh na say dem andre ya abrante bi o twi Uber oya ala no opa bibi ka credit no di bi akwa hwe ni maame ni nebusua abrante ye adwuma na 3 girls is stopping no mo fa no wo kai ni eja o ma che ni destination o mo ko no ono super o di o mo ko ya ko duru baby kakra sai mai o ma plan say o me Snatch abrante ni ka efini sem ka samre po kan work and pay ka work and pay no dey tuaka no sika na aba be ni dia no otimi supporting the hearing in the family na e ma mi ense we afa kwati kwan so person Snatch ka e free abrant ensim it's about time Nanado obe sorry no one driving the Nigerians away from Ghana now say yet say you crossing borders as Nigerians are in Ghana. Then I go to my today. My hitipa. You ever go share video no? Ni ekọ ne ba. Fufro wo ha mesa dia ka mo.
Time. The climb I say come car dey down. If you climb and speed more than the car under the scratch. So I take my time, they climb, I'm no. Oh, they go with the tap my side, they off the engine. Where my car, no? Unless you put down for park, where you pull handbrake before you come out the key. So the thing they drive, you off the engine off, but they come out the key no they come out. Where the key that is spoil, like they drag the key that come out for the key inside, the key that is spoil. Where they want to take my phone too. You say how the phone they know. Like that, if anytime I do my phone like this, when they put out for the cover inside phone, they do one like this half. Then put the charger for here. Okay. So I see the strap for the phone fall for my carpet where I step for top. I step for top now, the one with my bag, you take banding wire. That one they take the do what be the name? Iron rod. The iron rod, you take time and neck and the seats. No busy, then be three. We want to take knives, say, if I know surrender, you go kill me.
And these are women?
Women, 3 girls, Nigerian ladies, thick tall ones. Nigerian ladies, 3. So like my this thing, I dey keep my money for inside. But my 2 days says in my pocket, that be 200 cedis in my pocket. So they don't know the money there. So I press my hand for this thing top, where I know they come out. Where my leg day, my phone top, where we did the speed round top. So as the thing that happen, the car they move slowly, so I put the handbrake. Where I do where I put the car for park, I come out the key for inside. So I hold the key hard, they won't take the key, they don't fit take the key. Where the band wire to press my neck. So I put one hand for the band wire inside. The one it be thin, so it dey pain me. So as the one with my side no, it's travel like the phone no get, it's travel like the key no get. So as I hold the key, the car key, I hand my money top. Where I one hand did the rope inside, where the other guy put my hand for my pocket, we come out the 200 cedis. So I did come out the 200 cedis, I first come out my seat belt. So I come by seat belt now where I see say some car with the car for the corner inside. So the car
now so yes. Saba, Moseo, glass and Chini Jonas, or say glass and Quan, not the compare Ghana.
Good man, I gotta tell you, Charlie, I know, having I'm gonna meet them. And I know Adiasa, but the feet, you know, make it was a glass and Quan, and go for the when I am a Chemona Montiasian.
Or the America compare Ghana. Nyamiadum nanado any in paying for almost sorry. So omo ye interchange bo pokwase. Omo ye pokwase interchange ama Ghana for. Nansenya o end 6 months cry. Oko kate sword. Emrantu wa bia minni baby omo free. So omo ye Ghana for, so omo free here, so omo free here. Omo kwa korea in na de na ye dia interchange. Boglan omo tutu.
Upon closer inspection, this doesn't look like an ordinary theft job because nothing is broken. It looks as if they took their time and unscrewed the railings of these posts, as you see along here. Now, 5 of the railings have been refixed by a private Chinese company that's working on the job. But as you can see, on this section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remain to be fixed. The N1 has suffered a similar fate, where robbers come in and unscrew railings, remove light bulbs from the lamp posts along the road. This area has suffered the same fate. This is the part of the railing that protects pedestrians and other people living in this side of Kwabena from falling over onto the main road and clashing with oncoming vehicles.
Musori must fix the country. Fix what? I'm going hard on Ghanaians. I'm going super hard on Ghanaians. Musori must fix the country. Fix the country. Fix the country. Interchange and Nancy. Mafo kwetu kwanso akotutu interchange no. Se mini so mo koto on scrap so. So mo de kwaye denyo. So mo de kwaye nobody knows. Ama sisi contractor o mini hono mini man no. Sisi asabe enika. He have to what? Replace it. Ghana ya attitude anya. If you want to fix the country, Ghanaians we should fix our attitude. That's the only way. Yes, you need a money for everybody. You better compete. Yemre. Abua for almost so ya cinema yet program Ibramo, Han York Estate Limited. Dan Papa Fee, and Assassin Papa dear, no one Han York Estate Limited. So open so a chow minim, now our Philly taste Nidia, and one York mineral water. Sounds na open atadia, wow, shady wear my dress here, Medina, Matadi won't say fit me pa. York clothing, and a shamatadi. York clothing, and a shamatadi. So person on your mudin sawaswa. From one my true for you so 0243 708485 and 030 2905 713. Mrs. Subium 0243 708485 and 030 290 5713. That's a ne. You say share. More musum for MCI and then more attraction komoi. But remember to subscribe to your YouTube channel, HYTV GH, or YouTube. Subscribe it, like it, not share. Go Facebook and so HYTV GH. Follow here, our Instagram, HYTV GH. That's an every say share. Kudos to
You don't envy if you blow with the blow. You share me and blow with the blow.
Unjami.